everybody, Gary at Das Sport Classics here in Savannah. Today we have got the ultimate sleeper. If you're a child of the 80s, you're going to remember the 944 Turbo. This is a 1987, so this is a second generation 944 Turbo, which came out in 1986. And this car is just so cool that, you know, it's been tuned by John Behe, our own tuner here at Das Sport Classics. The car has got Lindsay Racing upgrades in the engine compartment as far as all of the hard piping and, you know, the upgraded turbo, the tuner, and it's just a incredible car. This car is so strong. Seems like we're around 275, 280 in the horsepower department on this car, and there's more left in it. We tune these cars safely. We want them to be reliable. And this car, you know, I stumbled into it in this incredibly rare Malvern Red. It's a 1 year only color in 1987. The car has what we believe to be original paint on the sides. We have redone where the sun had baked on the top, and the hood, front and rear bumpers have all been recently refinished and refurbished. And the car is just incredible. It's a car that you're going to take to any PCA local gathering, heck, even Works or Radwood, and you're going to be so happy. This with the blue here, if I kept the car, I would relocate that to inside of the dashboard. That's the manual boost controller for the turbo. This car you're gonna love. Whoever the next owner of this car is gonna be so very proud. It's a car that I had considered keeping, but I've got my crystal green metallic 86 944 Turbo that I just love. And you know, I bought this car because of the rarity of the color with the intention of keeping it. And now that we've refreshed the paint, it's hard to let this one go. But we certainly have to make room for some new blood to come into the garage, and now is going to be your opportunity to own one great 944 Turbo. Wow, this car is just so amazing. It just takes me back. You know, there was, you know, I get the privilege of racing one of these 88 944 Rothmans Turbo Cups. And this car just has every bit of the speed and enjoyment, the 50-50 balance, the handling. It's absolutely just amazing. You know, as we're traveling around the neighborhood here in the beautiful low country of Georgia, I can imagine myself on the tail of the dragon with all of my PCA friends, or making the run up I-16 to Atlanta, or even out at Roebling Road, VIR, Sebring. You know, this car just has it all. And, you know, it takes me back, especially, you know, if any of you guys are in my, you know, I'm in my late 50s, so I remember these cars when they were brand new. My kids remember them. I know that we've got many buyers out there today that are, you know, in their 20s, just coming into their first little bit of money. And, you know, this is a perfect car to be able to just get you started. You will get bitten by the Porsche bug, I can assure you, if you drive this car. It's just a perfect entry-level car. You know, this car is probably going to sell somewhere in the, you know, the 20s, mid-20s. The rare color may take it a little bit higher than that. The amazing Lindsay Racing blow-off valves and, you know, turbocharger, you know, the high horsepower. This car has just got so much to offer the enthusiast in, you know, the Porsche, you know, Porsche game, the entry level. You're not going to be necessarily the slowest guy in the group with this car just because you've got the 944. This is the turbo. You know, they kind of had to you know, tune this car back a little bit so that it wouldn't, you know, outrun and outperform the 911. Now, I'm definitely a 911 guy, but these things are just so much fun. Get a listen to this blow-off valve. That's something you normally don't get. just phenomenal. The power in this car is just mind-blowing. I mean, for your little 4-cylinder, perfectly balanced 944. Let's roll the windows up here so we can see what we can hear. You know, the car's great on the highway just as it is on the track. So I know the next owner is going to be pleased with this. Straight as an arrow. You know, you just can't ask for anything better. You can take off with confidence and go anywhere you want to go in this car.